Hi, my name is Sam White. I'm one of the two co-founders of Promethean Power here in Boston. We are housed at Greentown Labs, which is an amazing, exciting place to work. It's an incubator where we share machine shop space and office space with 12 other Cleantech startups. We are in an environment where we're tapping into the many universities and brains to develop various technologies and actually build prototypes right here in Boston. Our particular company started in '07 when I started volunteering for a group that was competing at the 100K business plan competition with Serene Grama, who is now my business partner. After we won second place at that competition, I quit my job. Serene graduated from MIT, and we took the $10,000 of winnings and we went to India for a month. And 2 weeks into that trip, we made a cold call to the managing director of Bangalore Dairy, and that's when we discovered the big problem that the dairy industry has of collecting. This one dairy collects from 10,000 different villages twice a day for the 2 milkings a day, and they race that milk back before it goes bad. The reason why they have to do that is because if you were to place a traditional chiller at a village, you need to have a dedicated diesel generator, which just costs way too much and doesn't warrant placing a chiller in each one of these villages. We came up with a technology, a battery technology, that enables a dairy farmer and that group of dairy farmers in the villages to chill milk and capture the limited electricity that you do get with our battery. And so you can chill that milk without the need of a diesel generator. And so that one cold call to Bangalore Dairy has changed our careers forever. And now we have a lab and operations up and running in India. We're executing on our first 3 purchase orders from 3 of the bellwether dairies in India, and we're very excited to see what happens over the next year. And I'll let my business partner, Serene Grama, go into more of the details of the technology.
Hello, my name is Serene Grama. I'm CEO of Promethean Power Systems. And this is our prototype, a rapid milk chilling prototype, housed within the Greentown Labs here. This is a place where we developed it. This is where we're testing it. It's a great location for us to try different things. And what you're looking at is a rapid milk chiller that takes milk, warm milk, fresh raw milk coming directly from the cows, and we drop its temperature immediately from the body temperature, 35 degrees Celsius, down to 4 degrees Celsius using this innovative rapid milk chiller that we developed for the Indian market. It's a very simple device. It is used in village collection centers to cool the milk that comes from small individual farmers. They'll come in and bring 1, 2, or 5 liters of milk. We'll pour it in here, and by the time it reaches down here, it's already cold. That stops the bacteria growth and maintains the quality. Now, you notice it's very quiet right now, and the system is running. It's chilling this water in this case. It's our substitute for milk. But what keeps it running, what keeps it powered, is this thermal energy storage device that we developed. This is our thermal battery, as we call it. And inside this battery, we have some material that we freeze. This is the charging process, and then we melt to discharge the battery. So right now, we're melting the battery to cool the milk. Immediately after this, we're going to recharge the battery by running a compressor, or a standard compressor, refrigeration compressor, which you can also see behind over there. So that compressor charges the battery, the rapid milk chiller discharges the battery. The central focus of this is we've been working on this for a number of months, trying different materials, different configurations, and we think we have something that the dairies want. The other thing that's an important part of our system is the electronic control system. The actual charging process occurs with the hybrid combination of grid power and solar power. This solar power, in fact, today was a nice sunny day, so we had solar power running for most of the time. When we charged the battery, about 50% of that energy came from solar power. So the other part of the system is a data acquisition and control system. It's a central part. In fact, we use all of our testing and the number of sensors located throughout the prototype to measure temperature, flows, and a number of other parameters. And we take all that data, bring it into this computer, and we analyze, we collect and analyze the data. It's a very important part of our process as we try different combinations, different prototypes, different configurations. We take data, we analyze it, we see what works, what doesn't, and we try to improve on that.